Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I do believe that you all are taking care of yourself. You all are staying at home. I, Mrs. Divya Dwivedi, welcome you all in science tutorial. Today we are going to learn lesson number 7 that talks about conservation of plants and animals. This is the second part of video. Children, in the previous video we have learned about deforestation, its causes and consequences. In the second part of video we have studied about the protected areas for conservation of plants and animals, in which we have learned about national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. We have learned about Pachmani Biosphere Reserve in detail. This is third part of video in which we will learn about endemic species and endangered species. So, first topic which we are going to discuss today is endemic species. So children, first of all you should know what is a species. A species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. The member of this group have some common characteristics. Now, let me ask you one simple question. Do you find an apple tree growing in South India? No. Apple trees are usually found in North India. Thus, species of plant and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area is called endemic species. They are not found anywhere else. A particular type of animals and plants may be endemic to a particular zone, state or a country. Endemic species are the plant and animal species whose distribution is confined to a restricted area. Therefore, they are incredibly unique and more vulnerable to extinction. Endemic species requires special conservation efforts. Endemic species once lost, it is a loss of biodiversity. Endemic species are specially developed on geologically and biologically isolated areas such as islands and highlands. Two examples of the endemic flora of Pachmani Biosphere Reserve are sal and wild mango, and Indian giant squirrel and flying squirrel are the endemic fauna of this area. Children, there are some animals whose number are diminishing to a level that they might face extinction are known as endangered animals. Endangered species is a species which has been categorized as very likely to be extinct in the near future. Keeping track of endangered species, WWF World Wildlife Federation or IUWC International Union of Wildlife Conservation published a book containing the detail of endangered and threatened species of flora and fauna called as Red Data Book or Red List Book. Red Data Book symbolizes a warning signal for those species which are endangered and have to be protected. Otherwise, they are likely to become extinct, means disappear from the earth forever in the near future. Dear children, have you ever visited Satpura National Park? Do you want to visit? Let's have a look.
Satpura is one of the most exciting tiger reserves in Madhya Pradesh, and it is part of the larger Satpura Maikal landscape, which comprises parks like Kana, Bandhavgarh, Pench, and it holds almost a fifth of the country's tiger population. This park is spread over 2200 square kilometers of classic tiger country, making it the largest tiger reserve in Madhya Pradesh. It is made up of 3 different protected areas: the Bori Sanctuary, which is also one of the oldest protected areas in the country, the Pachmadi Sanctuary, and the Satpura National Park. These 3 areas put together make up the tiger reserve and provide it with a varied landscape from mountains to grasslands to open woodland and river ecosystems. On the north side there is Denva River, and on the west side there is Tava River, which both join up and then flow into the Narbada River. Satpura is extremely unique also from the tourism perspective, because apart from the common jeep safaris that are possible in every other park, here you can also do walking safaris, canoeing on the river, boat safaris looking for birds. The focus is on all wildlife and the wilderness experience, and while guests experience this, you can have a good chance of seeing leopard. It is the best park to see sloth bear in the country, wild dogs, and also the giant squirrel, which is uniquely found in Satpura within Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, this is the only park which has teak or mixed deciduous forest and sal, which is mostly moist deciduous forest. Over the last few years, Satpura has emerged as one of the most potential reserves for the tiger in the future. Because of the great efforts of the Forest Department in the last 5 years, several villages have been relocated out of the park, making for new habitat for herbivores and carnivores. The Forest Department has also been working on translocation of tigers in the last few years and has given a new home to the Barasingha, which is one of the critically endangered deer species previously found only in Kana Tiger Reserve, and now has a new home in Satpura. Just like many forested areas in Madhya Pradesh, Satpura also has some beautiful rock paintings dating back to almost 10,000 years ago, similar to the more famous Bhimbetka rock shelter painting. And it's definitely one of the best places for any nature lover to visit.
So my dear children, I hope you all have enjoyed the visit of Satpura National Park and you have enjoyed the video today. That's all for today children. Have a nice day.